All right, you guys, hey, it's time for the MLS. Time to put this puppy in the MLS if we can get a buyer. Again, the tenants are still inside, but what I want to do was get it fixed up on the outside, make it presentable so someone may have an interest, could look forward to buying it. Here's what they're going to get. Again, it's a 1/4 acre. Show you a little of the decoration here. And we'll walk you through so you can see. Again, this is 1/4 acre. 200 feet long. That's a lot of land. Let's say you want to have some seating area. Imagine how many cars you could put on this lot. I would imagine at least 20. Okay, if you wanted a seating area. Good. Okay. And here's the middle unit, the ADU unit. Okay. Again, it has a hot water heater. It has inside laundry, washer dryer hookups. Some land here, you might plant a garden. Okay. And there's the back unit. Okay, which is about 850 square feet approximately. And then we'll take you around the side of the back unit. Okay, nice shady seating area. And then we have the backyard, okay, which could be a soccer field, basketball court, football field, lots of room. Okay, if you have maybe a trucking business, probably put some trucking back here. There's a soundproof wall. It's about 12 feet high. If you want to have a, RV access, plenty of room. And so let's walk you back to the front. And that'll be it. So really proud of how fast we got the work done. Again, the tenant's still inside. Still working through that process to get them out so I can go into the inside, fully rehab it. Again, this project I've been working on for probably about 30 plus days. But I like it. Hopefully you like it also. It's been a great little project and got me some great exercise, that's for sure. So, hey, we'll see you guys. Take care. Bye.